A little context before you watch this vlog. This was filmed a little over a month ago during a period where I honestly wasn't doing very well. My breakup really took a toll on me. It wasn't about just losing a relationship, but also letting go of the future I thought I was going to have. Some days I felt okay, and some days everything hit me all at once. It was definitely an emotional roller coaster, and looking back at these clips now, I can see that a lot of this is me trying to distract myself, stay busy, and figuring out how to be okay on my own again. I was also very vulnerable with my own feelings. I kept saying yes to new places, new experiences, and anything that could get me out of my head for a little while. But I think healing is funny like that. It's been more than a month since this was filmed, and I'm doing a lot better now. Not because everything magically fixed itself, but because I've learned that healing isn't about forgetting someone. It's about slowly rebuilding a life that feels like yours again. I've learned that it's okay to grieve something that meant a lot to you. It's okay to feel sad, angry, confused, and hopeful at the same time. And most importantly, I've learned that moving on doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens through small moments, one day at a time. So this vlog feels a little special to me because it captured a version of myself that was trying really hard to heal. I'm still a bit struggling, but a lot better than before. And if you're going through something similar right now, I hope this reminds you that things do get lighter. Maybe not immediately, maybe not as quickly as you would like, but they do.
Hey, I've been crying. It's usually the hardest kalau lagi malam-malam. I think that's when you really think the most, and kalau dikerjakan you're mostly distracted. Sorry, I look ugly. But yeah. I don't know. I honestly don't know if it'll get easier. Oh my gosh, I look so ugly. This looks so stupid. And every time if I watch myself crying, aku jadi nangis lagi. Aku jadi sedih lagi. It's like 11 p.m. right now. Besok hari kerja. I should sleep. Look at my hair. This is like my natural hair tuh kayak gini tau. Kayak singa. Tapi gak apa-apa, aku suka. I'm eating my favorite snack. Ini roti. Aku beli waktu itu pas lagi ke Kokas dari Honban. Then this is my favorite peanut butter. Wow, kok gak mau fokus? And this is my favorite peanut butter. Aku suka banget. Grab your bun and scoop out the peanut butter. Habis itu olesin langsung ke peanut butter, ke rotinya. Wow. Tiba-tiba aku nangis. No more crying while eating. And I'm so sad, ini tuh mau habis. Tuh. Dan nitipnya tuh lumayan jauh, kayak aku nitip ini di Australia. I think aku harus nunggu teman aku dulu ke Australia untuk nitip ini. 1:30, aku masih belum bisa tidur, makanya aku nyemil dikit.
Guys, Lihat gak? Ini tuh masih terang. Which means aku pulang ke kantor di saat keadaan masih terang. This is such a rare moment. Karena biasanya aku pulangnya pas udah gelap gitu. So yeah, aku baru beli Honu. And this is gonna be my dinner for tonight. Oke. Hari ini aku pulang lebih cepat dari biasanya. Aku sebenarnya agak kurang enak badan karena tenggorokan aku and my whole body is just not feeling very well. I know I've been like not feeling very well for a very long time dari vlog sebelumnya juga bahkan, tapi I don't know why for some reason aku tuh kayak capek aja gitu badannya dan sekarang tuh kayak gampang OTW meriang gitu rasanya. So ya aku mau istirahat lebih cepat aja sih dan semoga malam ini tuh aku benar-benar bisa tidur. Tidur aku juga sebenarnya ngaruh karena I haven't been getting enough sleep. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I can sleep well tonight. Ayo kita makan honunya. Jujur aku lupa banget pesen ada tambahan soy sauce-nya.
Why is that so scary? That's cursed as hell.
Like, I know there's like debt around.
Set aside a travel chunk of what needs to go into paying off debt right now.
Saying no to getting on a flight.
Something very similar, you know, just.
Akhirnya aku makan buah setelah sekian lama. Aku suka banget buah naga cause it's like good for your digestion.
So we make about $750 a month.
Giselle, you really a little tough.
Jadi hari ini I'm feeling a bit better than the previous days, although tidak menutup kemungkinan bahwa I might crash out again. But I'm still trying to distract myself by doing lots of activities, meeting friends. Aku tuh bersyukur banget karena during the times where I'm very vulnerable, tiba-tiba ada aja gitu loh teman lama trying to reconnect with me. People want to meet with me and they want to know how I'm doing, and I'm very very grateful karena timingnya is so crazy. Like people are just reaching out to me gitu. Makanya aku tuh ngerasa bersyukur banget karena sekarang aku memang lagi di titik rendahnya aku secara mentally and emotionally. There are good people reaching out to me gitu. I'm very very grateful. So yeah, let's see how this journey goes. Jujur ini view kosan aku tuh kayak bagus banget kalau lagi malam-malam, and sometimes kalau aku tidur tuh aku nggak mau ada lampunya. Biasanya aku kalau tidur pakai lampu gitu, tapi karena the city lights are so beautiful at night, jadinya tuh aku kayak suka matiin lampu and just enjoy the view aja sih sambil tidur. Morning. I just read the sweetest message from a friend. Aku bangun-bangun nangis sih. He mentioned this. Hi Belle, I saw your TikTok last night just as I was about to sleep, and just wanted to say you're a great person and no one could take that away from you, and whatever it is you're experiencing right now, it'll pass and you'll be grateful that you've experienced that in your life. Go find that spark you need. And I know we've barely known each other and we barely talk, and just to put it out there, if you ever need anything, reach out. Yeah, you're not alone. And like I said, I'm very very grateful for these people, even the people who I'm not close with. So yeah, just wanted to share that. Sekarang aku siap-siap ke kantor bentar.
jauh sekali mungkin membentuk banyak orang. Terus itu sangat terkenal ya dengan their signature buttery soft fabric.
Hi everyone, so I just got home. Aku barusan habis mandi. Sekarang aku mau skincarean. Oh my gosh, today is so tiring. Tapi I'm so happy that aku bisa menyibukkan diri. Jadi tadi eventnya Arus itu di daerah Peak, jujur jauh banget. But thankfully I know a couple of people there and aku mingle aja. Aku ajak teman aku juga namanya Regine to be my plus one, and I've been missing this influencer event stuff, kayak kangen banget jujur. It was a fun day, tapi aku nggak bisa lama-lama di acaranya Arus, so I had to go to Jakarta Selatan lagi untuk yoga karena aku janjian sama teman aku Jessica, and Jessica is my junior back in tahun 2021 ya, waktu aku masih kerja di agency. She was my junior and sekarang kita udah mulai deket lagi karena dia tuh habis S2 di UK and now she's back here. Jadi kayak mumpung dia lagi di Jakarta, kita sering-sering ketemuan. Karena tadi yang Mas Niko dan Rana juga mention dengan adanya O2 Active Power. I just got home meeting my friend. Jadi dia tuh teman kantor aku sebelumnya. And yeah, we've chit chat. I had such a good time. I drank like 4 beers, but like I don't know. I was just having fun talking to Hendy. His name is Hendy. We just updated each other's lives. Terakhir kita ketemu tuh kalau nggak salah di bulan November. And meeting him again was really nice, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. Sekarang mau tidur lagi, tapi sambil tidur aku tuh kayak kepikiran lagi. I don't know. I wish for it to stop, tapi aku udah mulai agak ngantuk juga sih. Biasalah kalau lagi nonton TikTok tuh isinya kayak depressing shit, and kapan ya berhentinya? Aku nggak tahu. Good morning everyone. This is my coffee of the day dari Little Contrast. Sekarang itu udah jam 12-an and I think I'm going to skip lunch. I'm on a diet. I think I'm just gonna eat dinner aja sih malam ini. And yeah, coffee of the day. Hello, I'm ready. Aku mau ke bandara. Nganterin sahabat Akil, Della. She's going to London today. And this is the outfit of the day. Waalaikumsalam. Dong, hai Bella. Buat kita apa? Baik-baik ya. Kalau bisa kabur aja. Aku mau sih. Iya, kalau bisa kabur. Ayo kita menikah.
4 menit setelah gue upload, gue tahu itu siapa.
Oke. Oh, bukan affiliate yang di boost.
Apanya?
Organik konten kita yang di TikToknya.
Hi everyone, I had to recreate again the outfit that I wore to Bright Spot karena aku mau bikin konten video gitu for TikTok. I haven't really talked much since kapan ya? Hari-hari sebelumnya. I was just filming things, but I haven't been talking much. So yeah, a little update is that kemarin itu pas di Bright Spot aku tuh demam banget. Sebenarnya demamnya itu kan udah dari pagi. Tapi malamnya tuh demamnya makin parah, and aku tuh menggigil banget, kayak orang gila, menggigil banget. It was so bad, and thankfully aku dikirimin paracetamol, obat-obatan, karena kalau enggak I don't know how to function, sumpah. Jadi I got back to the kosan, terus kayak sorry, the background. Jadi aku balik ke kosan, terus aku kayak mandi, terus pas sampai di tempat tidurnya tuh aku udah mulai kayak menggigil kayak orang gila gitu. Padahal demamnya tuh sebenarnya naik turun gitu. So I drank lots of water, and yeah, sekarang sih udah mendingan. Cuman tenggorokan aku masih sakit, sama kepala aku tuh pusing banget. Kalau misalnya aku kayak batuk, kepala aku pusing. Kalau aku lagi kayak misalnya dari bawah kayak nunduk ke bawah ke atas gitu, pusing banget. So yeah, I've been sick, not good. Tapi I'm excited to show you my outfit. I really love my outfit, by the way. Okay, so this is my outfit. This top is from Guna. This necklace is from Bentala. The skirt is by Dawn. The bag is Paloma wool. The ring is I made it myself. And this bracelet is from Tiny Island. Sama sepatunya Margiela Tabbies. So yeah, this is the outfit. Aku suka banget. A bit of pink and a bit of lime green. Tapi kayak lucu aja sih. Oke, jadi aku mau cerita sedikit tentang Bright Spot kemarin kayak gimana. To be honest, the venue itu tetap enak ya, karena di Agora Mall, dan first things first, ini tuh dingin. Tapi karena aku sakit, jadi tuh everything was like freezing to me gitu. Tenannya itu jauh lebih banyak tahun ini, and I met lots of people there juga. Kan sebelumnya tuh memang di Agora Mall-nya, tapi itu kayak di lantai bawahnya. Sekarang ini tuh kayak di lantai 9, 11, dan juga ada yang di lantai 19 gitu. So you have to kind of like really explore banget for every booth and also the tenants. But yeah, mungkin buat beberapa orang it can be very tiring and very confusing, because I felt like it was like a labyrinth gitu. Other than that, thank God I came itu pas tanggal 26-nya, which is on Tuesday, karena kalau enggak hari ini aku dengarnya tuh rame banget sampai ngantri. Jadi I would be overstimulated. Masalahnya aku aja kemarin udah overstimulated banget. Aku jadi kayak gak nafsu mau cari makan gitu. Tapi kalau hari ini I cannot imagine how bad mood and overstimulated I would get. I'm gonna show you the things that I bought. Aku sebenarnya nggak beli banyak sih, tapi mungkin aku akan ke situ lagi next week, yang week 2-nya. Tapi untuk saat ini I can show you a couple of stuffs that I got. Pertama, Omo Bakery.
Jadi Omo Bakery ini tuh sebenarnya suka sold out ya di mana-mana, dan yang dijual di Bright Spot itu tuh yang Bright Spot exclusive. So it's not really like the sold out stuff that they usually sell in their store. Jadi aku beli ini kalau nggak salah yang rasa daging, ada daging ayam. Wait, ini kalau nggak salah yang ada daging beefnya deh. Tapi I'm very excited to try this sama peanut butter aku karena kayaknya enak. Jadi I cannot wait. Terus karena I got invited by the executive juga, aku dapat baju ini. Sumpah bagus banget. Buat ngantor oke banget, makanya aku nggak sabar pakai ini. Thank you the executive. I also got pillowcase covers dari New. This is also Bright Spot exclusive. Tada! Lucu banget. Terus di sininya tuh ada strings. Jadi kayak lucu aja sih kalau taruh di bantal aku. And I also got this color biar warnanya nggak sama. Jadi a bit funky. Yeah, that's what I got. It's nothing like really special, tapi it's enough for me. Dan biar nggak spendingnya terlalu banyak, mungkin aku spendingnya banyak minggu depan, week kedua, but this time aku nggak spending banget sih. Kemarin juga aku sempat beli pizza gitu dari Tanbayo, enak juga, but I was so hungry that I had to take away terus makan di kosan. So yes, that's pretty much it. Aduh, bentar. Tiba-tiba aku pusing. Oke. Aku mau beres-beres. Aku mau nyuci baju juga. And I'm planning to sleep early. I'm not feeling so good. Tiba-tiba aku nggak demam banget, tapi udah lumayan anget sih badan aku. So let's get some shit done. Terus kayak ini gede banget buat forehead aku. I think aku suitable-nya tuh yang kayak yang punya anak kecil. Soalnya ini aku kayak Sasuke.